The NBRC's Therapist Multiple-Choice exam is changing. Here's what you need to know to pass it in 2026. If you're planning to earn your Certified Respiratory Therapist credential, 2026 is a critical year. The current Therapist Multiple-Choice exam, or TMC, retires permanently on December 31st. After that, it's replaced by a new, longer, and more expensive exam in 2027. Testing in 2026 means you'll face a 3-hour, 160-item test, while the 2027 version will be a 4-hour, 185-item exam. The fee is also significantly lower, making this your last chance to test on the familiar format. The 2026 TMC is a 160-item multiple-choice exam taken over 3 hours, but only 140 of those questions are scored. The other 20 are pre-test items. A unique feature is its 2-tier scoring system. Passing at the low cut score earns you the CRT credential, which is your license to practice in most states. Achieving the high cut score also grants you eligibility to sit for the Clinical Simulation Examination, or CSE, which is the final step to earning the advanced RRT credential. Success on the TMC isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about applying them. The NBRC designs questions around 2 cognitive types. About 60 items are for information gathering, where you identify the next piece of data to collect. The other 80 items are for decision-making, where you analyze existing data to choose the correct intervention. This is why simply recalling textbook definitions isn't enough. The exam heavily favors candidates who can apply knowledge to realistic clinical scenarios, making clinical judgment your most valuable skill. The exam's 140 scored questions are organized into 3 content domains. Domain 1 covers patient data evaluation. Domain 2 focuses on troubleshooting equipment and infection control. But the most critical area is Domain 3, initiation and modification of interventions. This single domain accounts for approximately 70 questions, or a full 50% of your total score. Mastering the topics within Domain 3 gives you a significant advantage and a cushion for the other, smaller sections of the exam. Given that Domain 3 is half the exam, your study time should reflect its importance. This is where your knowledge of airway management, oxygen therapy, and pharmacology is tested. The most heavily weighted topics are mechanical ventilation, including modes, settings, modifications, and weaning, and cardiopulmonary emergencies. If you can confidently interpret ventilator graphics, manage alarms, and recommend appropriate changes for a patient with hypoxemia or hypercapnia based on ARDS-NET protocols, you are well on your way to passing the TMC exam. A structured approach is key. This 10-week study plan focuses your efforts where they matter most. It begins with fundamentals like ABG interpretation and builds systematically through each domain, dedicating the most time to mechanical ventilation. In the final 2 weeks, the focus shifts to full-length timed practice exams. The NBRC's own self-assessment exam, or SAE, is a highly predictive tool. Taking it in your final week can give you a realistic preview of your performance on test day. Don't wait to start preparing for the 2026 TMC exam. The deadline is approaching, and this is your last opportunity to take the shorter, more affordable, and familiar version of the test. For a deeper dive into each domain, worked examples, and free NBRC-style practice questions, visit the full guide on openexamprep.com. Take control of your certification journey today.